before is that these actually you can expose them in less time. You can expose a screen like this in 10 or 15 minutes compared to the way we used to do it was like an hour, 2 hours, sometimes even 3 hours. So we would just leave it overnight. And by leaving it overnight, we learned the hard way back to how he asked, well, what happens if you expose it? It would crack and chip. And so after we'd finish a shirt, we'd see that there was like a crazy line over here on the side. And we're like, wait, where did that come from, you know? And some of the emulsion just cracked and peeled off and came on there. So there's less chance of that, but there's now it's faster to actually burn a screen. So if you can, if you took an actual day to do a project with 2 or 3 screens, you could probably knock it all out by burning and cleaning your screens throughout a whole day. So how that works is, so here's our emulsion, and we have our image on there, we have our light on there, and really all that light is doing, it's exposing this emulsion, and it's kind of just like toughening it up a little bit. Just a little more. It's not changing it much, but it's toughening it up a little bit. So when it does do that, the light that's not hitting the screen because of the image, so the black is covering whatever's black on your image, it's kind of hiding that part from the light bulb, and that is what's going to come off after you expose your screen for 10-15 minutes. What you're going to do is, again, highly recommend, I know that there's a little sink back there, so we're probably going to have to do it back there because they don't have a hose connection here. But what you're going to do, again, is with your hand, is just going to wash off wherever your image was, and all that emulsion should just start peeling off. And what you'll have left is just the screen with, again, you'll be able to see through your screen, and what you'll be able to see through is that image that you actually left behind. So all that falls off, and that's how the actual screening process, or the photo emulsion, works. And again, reclaiming the screen is called reclaiming the screen, and that's just, cleaning it all back off again. And I think we'll probably try to do that with this one here. So, does anybody have any questions? No? Okay. We'll give you about 5 minutes, and then we'll get back to it, and then we're going to do another screen coating so that we can all see how that's done. I'm going to coat that other screen, and then we'll put a light on this for about 10-15 minutes, and hopefully we'll have a shirt ready to go.